Now, for this video, we will discuss the nested if. Itong nested if naman, it means an if statement that is inside another if statement. Sa programming, tinatawag natin yun na nesting. Okay, so in this particular nesting, tawag natin dito ay nested if. Okay, so dito, we have an if statement, diba? And then, ito yung body niya. At yung body ng if statement, may makikita tayo dun na if ulit, no? Kaya tawag natin dito nested if. Meron siyang condition dyan, and then kapag true ito, i-evaluate niya ulit yung mga if doon sa loob. Okay? So, we have here the else na kapag false ito, itong else ang kanyang execute. So, let's execute this example. So, we have here the example. N is equal to 0. So, we have n as 0. If n is greater than or equal to 0, since that is true, execute niya yung nandito sa body, which is this one. Okay? So, dahil true yan, dahil true ito, okay, i-execute niya itong body ng if na yan. So, yan, execute niya ito. Ngayon, kung i-execute niya yan, babasahin niya, if n is equal to 0, dahil true yan, ang i-execute niya ay itong print 0 na yan. Okay? So, after that, dahil na-execute niya to, yun na, mag-e-end na yung ating program. Okay? So, dahil na-execute niya yan, hindi naman na niya i-execute to dahil na-meet na niya yung condition doon. Hindi na rin ma-execute ito dahil na-meet na yung condition doon. Okay? So, ganun yung execution ng nested if. Now, let's try. What if negative number ang linagay natin? Say negative 10 siya. Ayan. And then, if we run the program, ayun. So, ang lumabas ay negative. Sabi niya negative. Okay? Tignan natin. So, if n is negative, ayan, n is equal to negative 10. If n is greater than or equal to 0, dahil false yan, syempre, pupunta siya doon sa else. So, dito yung in-execute niya. Lumabas, negative. Okay? Gawin natin positive. Play natin. Ayun. So, in-execute niya, lumabas ay positive. Okay? Let's try to evaluate yan. So, if n is greater than or equal to 0, okay, so dahil 10 ay greater than or equal to 0, true siya, execute niya yung nandito sa loob. Ayan. Ayan, so in-execute niya yung nandito sa loob ng if natin. Okay? Kasi true yun. Now, dito, if n is equal to 0, false siya. Dahil false yan, okay, hindi niya to execute. Pupunta siya dito sa else at ito yung kanyang execute. So, lumabas doon ay positive. Okay, so yun yung nested if.